What do Somalis eat in a day? Somalia, known for fragrant spices, flavorful rice dishes, and rich food traditions influenced by Africa, Arabia, and the Indian Ocean. So today we're trying a full day of Somali food to see if it's actually any good. Starting with breakfast. Anjera, a soft spongy flatbread that's similar to a pancake, usually eaten with honey or sugar alongside Somali tea. I'm just gonna drizzle some honey on top. Here we go. It's like a soft spongy pancake and that texture is phenomenal. It actually kind of hits better than a regular pancake. Time for some Somali tea. Whoa, okay, that is really damn good. It's nice and sweet and the spices in it actually give it a pretty good kick. Somalia, I'm actually really impressed with this breakfast. Now moving on to lunch. Beris is kukaris, a fragrant spiced rice dish served with meat and a banana on the side. By the way, it smells really good. I have never had Somali rice before and oh my god, that is fragrant. And I never thought that a banana would complement a rice dish so well, but it works. Somalia, I am definitely eating this again. And finally, dinner. Sugo sukar, tender sauteed beef with onions, peppers, and Somali spices in a rich tomato sauce over spaghetti. It looks a lot like Italian spaghetti, but the flavors are actually kind of different. The spices in it give it a different kick and kind of makes it more unique. And also because they have banana with it. One thing you gotta learn about Somalis is they love banana. And that's what Somalis eat in a day. Honestly, I think Somali cuisine is severely underrated, so go to your nearest Somali restaurant and give it a try. What country should I do next?